Welcome back, everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to make a TikTok account in 2022. Now, this is a very easy process and it doesn't take too much time. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your app store just like so, and you want to search for TikTok. Now, I will leave a link in the description for TikTok on both iPhone and Android, so you can just click on those links and you'll be brought straight to your app store. Now, you want to install the TikTok application. Now, once that's installed, all you have to do is go ahead and open up the app, and you may come into a panel that looks like this. It's going to tell you to log into TikTok. However, at the bottom, it'll go ahead and tell you to sign up for an account on TikTok if you don't have one. Now, in my opinion, the easiest way to make a TikTok account is literally by utilizing one of these options right here. So what you can do is you can continue with your Apple account or continue with your Google account. If you're watching this, you probably have an Apple or Google account. In fact, to use an iPhone or even download TikTok, you have to have an Apple ID. So you can just click on this continue with Apple ID. It'll go ahead and show your email, and you can just continue with your Apple ID password, and that will be your TikTok account. Now you can also do the same exact thing with your Google account. So you can go ahead and type in your Google, your Gmail account right here, and you can go ahead and log in that way as well. So that is the easiest way to do it, and that's the only way I'd recommend you to do it, to be honest. Now, if you don't want to do it that way, you can also use this sign up option right here. So what you can do is you can click sign up down there, and you can go ahead and do the same exact thing. You can sign up with your Apple or Google ID, or you can use a phone number or email. So what you can do is you can just type in, use a phone number or email. You can type in your birthday right here. So we'll just say my birthday is that. We'll go and click next. Here's where you can either type in your phone number or your email. So you can type in your email right here, or you can type in your phone number. And once you have your email signed up, you are pretty much good to go. You just go ahead and make a password, and then you pretty much move on from there. So that is pretty much how you can make a TikTok account in 2022. But like I mentioned, I probably wouldn't recommend that method. I would recommend one of these two methods right here. Even the Facebook one may not be that bad of an option, but continuing with your Apple ID or continuing with your Google account are some of the easiest ways to do this for sure. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.